Hello and welcome to ACG's Tips and Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to demonstrate how you can quickly add customized notes to a report in IBM's Planning Analytics Workspace environment. Let's get started. Here we have a customized dashboard showing time and costs against one of our projects. We would like to add a customized note providing additional information about the project that can be shared by all users. We do this by clicking on the blue pen icon and entering some additional information about project Z_test_project. You will notice the system automatically displays who entered the note, as well the time and date it was entered. Let's see what happens when we add a second comment. You will notice the report has appended the new comment to the next available line. Now let's show you how this is created. As you can see, the comments are stored in a purpose-built comments cube. We have our project dimension that is used in our dashboard, a simple index dimension that separates the comment fields, and then we have our metric dimension which is used to store our comment, username and timestamp. Once I hit refresh, you will notice the two comments I added earlier will now appear. The cube also stores the last index line that was used previously. The system uses this value to know which line the next comment needs to go to. Now let's take a look at the TI process which is used to generate and store the comments in the cube. The TI process requires two parameter inputs: the project we are placing the comment against and the comment we wish to add. The functions used in the TI process will automatically detect the user entering the comment as well the time it was entered. These values will then be stored in the comment cube. Now let's go back to our PAW report. We pulled in one of the available icons in PAW for the edit button and assigned our new TI process to it. Then, we synchronized the PAW report so that the project name selected at the top of the screen will automatically be assigned to the TI process. This makes it seamless to the end user, as all they need to do now is simply enter a comment. The TI process will automatically do the rest. And that concludes our tips and tricks for Planning Analytics Workspace. We hope you found this tutorial helpful.